I forgot to make a video before Shabbos, Maharal, so let's just learn something together quickly. This week's Parsha was Parshas Haazinu. We read this today, I'm sorry. I guess technically on the Jewish calendar it was yesterday. And we had a nice Shabbos here in working since February as a shul rabbi. Let's just see what we can do here. We're going to have to perhaps just pause this because it seems like the app is not working. So let's just pause it. All right, let's try again. Cold. Don't plan ahead too much. You know what? Maybe it might be better if I just go directly like this. Let's see if that works any better. And I apologize. Anybody want to talk? I do have the chats open, and we're happy to talk a bit. Let's get to Deuteronomy 13. Almost with Deuteronomy. Remember that episode of Mad About You where Mel Brooks was Uncle Phil and his original name was Deuteronomy? Anybody remember that? I don't know. Let's see. So, is there Aryeh here? I don't see Aryeh. So let's see, maybe another pasuk. Aryeh. Let's just open the Aryeh and see, because I would really like one to be on Zachor Yomai Seilam. Then there wouldn't be this jealousy like now. It says the Heilige Seite Maharal with Prague they have no need. When it says something's called a god, it means that people accept it as a god. And that's the case, just say it's not a god, but people accept it as a god, but they have no need. What does a person need them for? We don't find because there's no need for idolatry. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you. All right. I wonder if this whole thing got recorded. I don't know.